So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Hello guys, welcome to Super Zone. In this channel we will discuss different engineering inventions about arcade games, about medical equipments, about these operations and hardware and troubleshooting. In this video we will discuss about Brunswick bowling alley, its operation, its hardware and its some technical errors. But right now, firstly we will discuss about its desktop software, how to operate, how to add anything. Let's start. Firstly, we saw this window and on desktop, and we have 4 lines of Brunswick. So firstly, we select the line, which line we want to play, then click the play button. After play button, we select the bowlers. You can select 1 minimum to 6 maximum. At a time maximum in one lane, 6 participants can be added. Right now, like I click on 6 and I'm adding their name. Suppose I'm adding ABC, next 1 2 3, next triple A, triple 1, triple B, triple 2. After adding their name, I just click on double arrow key, this button. Now they are ready for operation. Just we need to click on first prepay, so we get the amount and enter the valid amount, like we charge 2 money real, so it is equal to 12 money real. When we put 12 money real and click apply, the game will be start. So every person has 10 to 20 rounds, so it will totally take 60 rounds. And after and there are many controls, you can check daily business, you can check control which line detected, which not detected. You can click check out, you can check drinks and drinks etc. It's very user friendly. Now after software inside the hull, we also have 4 LCD control. These are control function. We can play, we can diagnose anything from these LCD, and these are front LCDs for scoring. And you can see there are 4 lines, and so 4 lines for 4 LCDs. You can see, and also we can play from here if we don't have front desktop software or a front desktop computer. We can play from here, add the player, add the lines, add the rounds from here. This is our bowling section, where we put the balls, and ball came here from after serving the builds. Now every 2 line have one bowling line that reverse the bowling this line. So 1 and 2 line reverse the bowling from here, and inside I will open and show you what is inside. You can see there is a motor and one pulley and 2 gears and 1 belt. Sometime it will turn off, so keep in mind there is red button. It's a trip breaker, and inside you can see a motor, and in the center there is also a red button. It's overheat protectors, and you can click sometime if the motor is not start. Also check the voltage. These two are the breakers. When we start the game, this motor automatically starts. As I mentioned earlier that you can start the game from inside the LCD controllers. Now you can see I'm just clicking on different function. When I click start, the first one is bill, invoice number, bowler, how many players, game, how many times you want to run the game, choose one. When I click OK, the game will be start from inside the control. Now you can see there's one player and one player has 10 rounds. Now, as I mentioned, now these builds are ready for bowling. Here you can see the motor is running for ball reverser. It's keep running until the game is finished. Here we get the balls for bowling. This is the first round. After completed of first round, it will get the builds, remaining builds, to take up and clean the floor and set the builds for the second round. This is how it's work. Now you can see here is second round. When second round is completed, the floor came down and check the score and clear the builds and set new builds for new round. This is how it's work for 2 rounds. This is the camera. One camera is this camera is using for getting the score, and one camera is for 2 lines. Also, there is a inflow and switch limit switch sensor, so you can score by sensor also. This sensor I'm showing you, it's for a bowling rolling ball. When ball cross the sensor, it will detect that ball is passes and the camera start working to check the remaining builds and get the score. Let me show you how it's work. This is a transmitter receiving set, and now you can see it will detect that ball has passed. Now it's checking the score. It's ready for the next round, and let me show you from other side. Now you can see light is blink, so ball is passed. This is how it's work and ready for a new round. This is the front working of bowling alley. In our next video, we will discuss backside of hardware operation, hardware troubleshooting, and different type of sensor. Please subscribe me, and thanks for watching. Support me and like the video. Thank you. Take care.